Ba ay crispy and juicy fried chicken sa abot kayang halaga. Tara na sa Happy Tummy Fried Chicken. Dito, makakasigurado ka na palaging fresh at bago ang chicken araw-araw. And we have different chicken parts na inyong mapagpipilian. Combined with our fragrant Java rice and thick gravy. Sure na ito ay iyong babalik-balikan. At hindi lang yan, we also have different sauces for you to enjoy with your chicken. Gaya ng cheese, teriyaki gravy, buffalo sauce, and many more. Pwedeng pagsalu-saluhan ng buong pamilya o buong dabarkads. Garantisadong happy talaga ang tummy mo sa amin. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara na sa Happy Tummy Fried Chicken, ang crispy-licious and juicy-licious fried chicken in town. You can message us at 0966-812-7066 for orders and inquiries. Follow us on Facebook at Happy Tummy Fried Chicken. Mahanap kami sa 270 Escobal Street, Pasay City.
Panginan yan. Wala doon pa. Magalit. Huli! Diabot. Awak lang, awak lang. Layan. Baba. Baba. Lamang Syam. Dipinsa.